Finally, we're seeing some signs of life in the cryptocurrency market. We're seeing some signs of life in Shiba Inu Coin, and we are back above that major level of resistance at 750 points per coin. We're not out of the woods yet. We still got some technical resistance left on the chart for Shiba Inu Coin. I'll talk about that, but I want to focus on whale purchases. Guys, we're seeing whales buy. We're seeing the price increase, and we're seeing whales hold, which is an excellent sign. And I'm going to go over some of these numbers and, of course, why we're watching the price of Shiba Inu Coin rise right now. It has nothing to do with Satoshi or the ecosystem or anything that's being built. It has everything to do with the overall market, confidence returning, and Bitcoin moving higher. So let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a pro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you're getting that 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you've got KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. I cannot believe that Bitcoin ripped through resistance at 32,000 yesterday and immediately soared up to test the next level of resistance around 35 to 36,000. Now, I'm going to be going over kind of what that means and why we're seeing that breakout in a second here, but I want to first focus on Shiba Inu Coin. Listen to this, guys. Shiba Inu Coin whale movements increased 2,300% amid this price surge. Now, at first, I'm thinking, okay, if they're increasing 2,300%, that means that all of the buys that they have been accumulating in Shiba Inu Coin, they are now going to sell. They are taking their profits, moving on, and so on. But that's actually not the case. According to data from Into the Block, Shiba Inu Coin's SHIB witnessed a major spike in whale movements over the weekend. Now, over the weekend, SHIB whales added 4.52 trillion SHIB tokens to their wallets. The influx translates to a spike of 2,300% from Friday. Moreover, tokens flowing out of whale accounts have also seen a significant drop. Now, that's the huge part. If they were selling them, if they were cashing them in, if they were getting rid of them, we would see that number increase as well. But they are accumulating them, and that is a huge sign, and perhaps one of the reasons we've been able to see Shiba Inu Coin rise the way that it has over the last couple of days. It says, while 281.8 billion SHIB tokens moved out of wallet accounts, or whale accounts on Friday, this metric fell from 29.13 billion over the weekend. Fell to 29.13 billion over the weekend. Sorry. So they were I guess exiting 280 billion, and over the weekend they only exited 29 billion Shiba Inu Coin. Guys, that is a sign that they're holding roughly 90% of their accumulations, and that is a big move, and that is really going to allow for strength moving forward. It says the whale movements came amid a larger market bullishness. SHIB's price has surged by a couple percent over the last couple of days, and is now testing that 750 point per coin range. However, despite this, we are still seeing less burns than a lot of people would expect. Now, this question is what everybody wants to know. Will the Shiba Inu Coin continue to rally? Nobody knows the answer for sure, but I actually like the way this article does it. Dude basically throws everything at the wall, hoping something is going to stick, talking about all of the reasons we're seeing the cryptocurrency market move higher right now. And of course, if one of those continues on, yes, Shiba Inu Coin will continue to rise. So he goes over October. saying that October is typically a very bullish month, and that could be some of the reasons we're seeing cryptocurrency prices increase. Talks about the fact that people may be buying Bitcoin as tensions overseas continue to increase and I guess get out of control, and people may be leaving the stock market in order to buy some sort of a hedge like Bitcoin. Talks about the fact that Bitcoin is looking to the exchange traded fund approval. And now that has not happened yet, but it's also something that is driving this market higher. It says, despite the price surge, Shiba Inu Coin continues to trade with 5 zeros after its decimal. The popular dog-themed meme coin, it gained a zero in early May and has been struggling to get rid of it. Although it briefly removed the zero in August, it could not hold that price level, and that was on the Shibarium expectations and Shibarium news out there. Guys, we're not yet at the point where people are flocking to altcoins. And that's evident. You can see that Bitcoin actually outpaced Ethereum, it outpaced Dogecoin, it outpaced Shiba Inu Coin, it outpaced the majority of altcoins. Obviously, some of them outpaced Bitcoin, but those are typically smaller market cap altcoins, and very little money flowing into them could outpace any gains in Bitcoin or any other coin for that matter. Shiba Inu Coin, guys, it is going to continue following the overall market. But here's what you need to remember, and this is kind of the cyclical nature of risk off to risk on scenarios. When you're moving from risk off to risk on, meaning nobody wants to risk their money, and then the confidence continues to increase, and they finally decide to risk it. First, they're going to move to the safer assets. Bitcoin is a safer asset. And as soon as they've built up confidence in Bitcoin, they're going to start moving to the altcoins. And when people start fluctuating out of Bitcoin and into altcoins, that's when they like to say altcoin season has begun. And that's when you're going to see gains in things like Shiba Inu Coin, Dogecoin, all of these other coins outpacing gains in Bitcoin. That's not to say that Bitcoin will not do very well. It is doing amazing at the moment, and it is really propping up the price of Shiba Inu Coin and all other coins for that matter. Now, will it continue? If we don't get held up at this $35,000, $36,000 level of resistance, we could be moving to $40,000 on Bitcoin very quickly. And the next level of resistance that we need to test on Shiba Inu Coin is around 800 points per coin. We've broken through 750. We've maintained that level as a support level all night long, and I do believe the next stop is 800 points per coin. Nothing to write home yet about. Clearly, we were there just a couple of weeks ago, and we saw some weakness in the price of Shiba Inu Coin. But as the strength is returning, so is the excitement. And excitement could eventually, if it doesn't fade, lead to FOMO buying. So I want to know what you guys think. Down in the comments, are you excited about the movement in crypto over the last couple of days? Or are you still need more proof that things could start a rally here? I want to know what you guys think down in the comments. And if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Claybro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.